Welcome back to my channel. So recently I came across a recipe called Pahadi Kebab and I wanted to try it. So today's video is going to be about it. So this is a chicken kebab kind of a recipe using mint and coriander. The detailed ingredients list is in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and like and share my videos. So let's get started. This is pretty simple, very few ingredients and steps are also only just 2. So first we are going to marinate the chicken. So I've got a cleaned and drained chicken in here. I've taken half a kilo. In here I've got the paste of mint, coriander, green chillies and ginger and garlic. So ginger and garlic I'm using powder here because I happen to have it with me. You can use whole ginger and garlic. Just run it in the mixie and make a good paste out of it. Now we are going to add this to the chicken. Mix well so that all the pieces are coated in. Grind this masala paste only when you're ready to apply it to the chicken because otherwise the mint will give a bitter taste. So this is mixed. Now in goes cumin powder, garam masala, salt and black pepper powder. Mix well. Okay, that seems to be done pretty well. Now we're going to marinate this for 3 to 4 hours. Since it's going to take some time and I don't want to leave it out, I'm going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator. Make sure you remove it from the refrigerator 1 hour before you're ready to cook it. So let's do that and I'll be back once it's ready to cook. So the chicken has been marinating to 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator and 1 hour before I have taken it out from the fridge and kept it outside. Now in here I've got a pan which has got oil heating up and we are going to add some cumin seeds to this. I've added the cumin seeds. Now we'll let this brown for a moment. Once they have browned, we'll add the chicken pieces into the pan. We cook these chicken on high heat until they become a little opaque. Chicken has become a little opaque. Now we are going to bring the fire down to low and cook this chicken until they are done. So the chicken is cooked and it's browned very well and the kebab is ready. This is like the simplest kebab recipe I've ever seen. So do try this at home and let me know how you found it. Until we see next time, bye.